Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study about how to type a formula in a text box. So here you can see that I want to calculate the area of a rectangle. So I have given the length, I have given the breadth, and over here I'll give a formula equal to length multiplied by breadth, and I'll hit enter. Now this formula I want to give it in a text box. So let me show you how you can do that. First click on Insert, then click on Illustrations, then click on Shapes, and from here select Text Box. Then you can draw a text box of the size you prefer. Then click on the border of the text box. Remember, there should be no cursor visible. Then click on the formula bar, type equal to, and click on this cell and hit enter, and you'll be able to see the result in your text box. Now you can change these values, you can make it different, and you can see the result being changed in your text box. You can also hide these columns by right clicking on them and selecting hide, and the columns will be hidden, but the result would always be displayed in the text box. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.